Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated installs or ugly gaps? The Scosche Car Stereo Dash Kit promises a flawless fit and a factory-fresh look, making it easier than ever to install your new double-din stereo right where it belongs, in your factory dash location. What sets this dash kit apart? It's precision-engineered to fit double-din stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. The design ensures a gapless transition between your dash and the new stereo, so it looks like it came straight from the factory. Plus, the color and texture match your original dash perfectly, avoiding that mismatched, aftermarket appearance. Installation is a breeze. No special tools required. Scosche includes clear, step-by-step instructions that guide you through the process smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned DIer or a first-timer, this kit makes upgrading your stereo straightforward and stress-free. Scosche's reputation speaks volumes. For 40 years, they've been crafting high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories designed to meet the highest standards. Every product comes with their limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support, so you're never left in the dark. Their expert team is ready to assist you with any questions, no matter how long you own the product. One happy customer shared their experience installing this kit in a 2013 Ford Focus. They praised its seamless, factory-like appearance and easy installation, noting it outperformed pricier alternatives. Even the small plastic trim piece around the factory sync screen, though a bit tricky, didn't detract from the overall clean look. And at a better price point than competitors, it's a smart choice for anyone wanting quality without the markup. If that sounds like what you want, an easy, clean upgrade that looks and feels factory-made, this Scosche Dash Kit is worth a look. It's designed to blend in perfectly, install quickly, and last a lifetime backed by real support. Try it when you're ready to give your car stereo the upgrade it deserves.